Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So today I'm going to be giving you a cleaning video, but it's going to be a little bit of a different cleaning video. It's going to be a hotel cleaning and sanitizing video. I'm here in this hotel for a week with my husband and the 2 toddler kids, so I need this room to be really super duper clean. So I'm going to go in and sanitize the beds, sanitize all the high touch items, and clean the bathroom. First thing I'm going to do is go in with my Clorox wipes and wipe down all of the high touch areas, the tables, the TV stand, the microwave, the refrigerator, all those high touch items I'm going to be wiping down. Next, I'm going in with my disinfectant spray and I'm going to be sanitizing both of the beds.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Now finally, I'm going in and cleaning the bathroom. I'm going to be using the micro brand spray to get this bathroom super duper disinfected.
Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how
So now I'm going in and I'm cleaning the tub. I did find several strands of hair in the tub and along the shower as I was cleaning it, so I had to make sure that I had to get all of that hair out before I put the kids in the tub.
Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm gliding through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Here I was showing you where I picked up a piece of hair. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but there was hair in the tub.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm gliding through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing.
And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for tuning in to my cleaning and sanitizing my hotel room video, and I will see you on the next one.